Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, I invite you to subscribe to my channel in case you have not done so already. Girl, just hit that little subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be reviewing a foundation from Frankie Rose Cosmetics. I have heard great things about this foundation from a few of my friends, and I finally got the chance to try it out myself. I am partnering up with Frankie Rose Cosmetics to bring you guys this review. We are going to try it together, and I'm going to take you guys about my day, show you how it wears on my combination skin. So the perimeter of my face is on the dry side, and the center of my face, especially right here in this cheek area, is on the oily side. So that's a little bit about my skin, so you guys know what to expect if you guys also have combination skin. This here is Frankie Rose Cosmetics Matte Perfection Foundation. The claims of this foundation is that this is going to give you instant coverage, instant confidence. It's full extended coverage that's silky and lightweight. It's also a perfect long wearing matte finish foundation that will leave you with smooth, flawless complexion. It's supposed to instantly cover problem spots, breakouts, blemishes, even out your skin tones, and build up to a full coverage. So I love the fact that it is buildable, and it's also a water-based oil-free formula, which my skin can appreciate. They also have a match tool on the Frankie Rose website so that you're able to find the correct shade for you. We're going to try this together, but before I jump into trying it on with you guys, I want to show you guys the 3 shades that were sent over for me to try out. So we're going to start over here on the left side on the screen. The left side of the screen is going to be gold. We have Oatmeal Blend, which is the shade I'm going to be using in today's video. And we also have neutral. When looking at these foundations, they can look completely different when you are outdoors. So I'm showing you guys what they look like indoors and outdoors so that you guys can get a better idea of what these shades all look like individually. And so let's go ahead and jump into a review and a full day wear of this foundation. We'll see what this foundation is all about.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm bringing you guys up close so that you guys are able to see my texture and some of my acne scars that are starting to diminish. I'm so happy about that. And there you guys have what my skin is looking like, so you guys can see the before and after of the foundation. So I'm going to start off by using the Frankie Rose Prime Addiction Primer. Okay, this one is clear. So I'm going to take some of this and just begin priming the face. Oh wow. That really just said goodbye, pores. Wow, I really like this primer. I feel like I can just put the primer and call it a day. It like minimizes my texture. I'm not shitting you guys. Like, look at this. To apply this foundation, I'm going to use the Frankie Rose foundation brush number 90. And I'm going to apply the foundation to the back of my hand. That's usually how I like to start off my makeup. Okay, so let's go in there. It smells nice. Doesn't have a strong scent, but it just smells clean. I think this is like spot on my shade. On their website, they have a matching tool so that you're able to select your shade. My first initial choice of color was Oatmeal Blend, and I was right about that. So definitely refer to their website to select your shade. But look at this. It's looking so pretty. You guys can also see that it's not super matte. You guys can see that beautiful glow coming through, and I really love that. Let me back up so you guys can see. This is just one layer of me using the foundation, but if you have a little bit more darker spots, I do have dark spots, but you can hardly see them right now. You can still kind of like peep at them right here. I don't mind that, okay, because it just makes me feel like this is like natural looking skin. Okay, that's my preference. But if you do kind of feel insecure about your dark spots, I'm gonna test out how buildable of coverage this foundation has. So let's go in there with a little bit more, and this time I'm gonna use buffing motions. That's what I do when I want more of a full coverage. We're really gonna work this product in there. I really like the smell of this. I can't describe the smell, but it kind of like brings me back memories. Hopefully I can think of what memories those are before the end of the video. But anyway, here we have it. You can't see those dark spots anymore. Well, you could hardly see them before, but now they're like gone. So definitely buildable coverage. Love that. So I'm just going in there into the forehead a little bit more. Okay, friends, so let me know what you guys are thinking so far. Okay, so now let me go ahead and apply the rest of the foundation on this side. I do have a little bit more acne scars over here, so oh my god, this is beautiful. Let's take a look on this side with just one layer of foundation. I'm not sure if you guys are catching this part right here on camera. A little bit of darkness in that area, and also my beauty marks right here. Let's see if we can get this covered up with another layer of foundation. So again, just pushing the product into my skin and really just trying to cover those areas. Do we see them? I'm not going to be able to know until I rewatch this video, but from what I'm seeing in my mirror, it definitely covered it a lot more. Really love this color. So now that you guys are seeing my skin up and close, I'm going to back up the camera a little bit so that I can continue on with the rest of my face products. And yeah. Okay, so before I use any other products, I just want to let you guys know I have never used Frankie Rose Cosmetics. So everything that I'm using in this video is very new to me, and I'm super excited about it because, again, I'm blown away by the coverage of this foundation already. Like, look at this. I'm going to use the concealer in the shade Ginger. I think this one might be a little light, but the other one that was sent to me was a lot lighter than this one, so we'll see. Yeah, this is definitely going to brighten underneath my eye area really, really good. I'm going to use the concealer brush in the number 91. And we're just going to push the concealer into our skin. Just like that. Oh, that looks really pretty, actually. Maybe I'm not mad at this color. I kind of want to apply some to the chin and a little bit to the forehead. I don't like overdoing it with concealer. Only if I'm going to be going out on an evening night out, then I do like more of an emphasized contour and just like the whole shebang. But for an everyday casual look, I just kind of like keeping my makeup simple. Oh my god, this is blending so nice. I don't know if it's the brushes, the product, or both. Now, I really love this glow. Okay, look at this glow on my skin. But I want to make sure that I'm not creasing underneath the eye area and all that. So in order to do that, you want to make sure you're using powder. So I'm going to be using this Pro Contour palette, and I'm going to take this yellow shade right in here. Okay, and I'm going to kind of like look up and apply some of the powder there. And make sure you're pushing the powder into your skin so that you don't start to crease. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that difference. You see that? I actually did a tutorial on how to contour over on my Instagram stories. But today I kind of want to bronze using this palette here. Because again, this is like a daytime look for me. I'm going to get the areas where I do tend to get really oily. Right in here. And on the forehead right here. And everything is coming along really pretty. Now to bronze, I'm going to take this shade right here. If you do want to contour, this shade right here is beautiful. But I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and then just begin to apply the bronzer to my cheeks, to my forehead, and just really warm things up. I'm going to be making a video. One of you guys had a suggestion to make a video on the comparison of bronzing and contouring. So I definitely want to do that for you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. But anyways, we're warming up the face with that same shade and applying it to the nose. just to add some color back to your face. For blush, I'm taking this one in the color Romantica. And just kind of smile a little bit. Okay, so off camera, I did apply my lip products and set my face, but I am loving this foundation from first impression. But I'm going to be taking you guys about my day and show you guys how it's wearing and how it's holding up with my combination skin. So let me take you guys outdoors and show you guys what this looks like in natural lighting. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys every other hour and show you guys. So let's do that. Okay, this is right after me stepping out of my filming setup. Freshly done makeup. What are we thinking? I'm thinking I need to pull those weeds behind me. But look, oh my god, I love it. Alright, so I have to head over to Ulta and pick up some new makeup for more reviews here on my channel. And I also have to go grocery shopping and then pick up my kids. So as soon as I do all of that, I will check in with you guys another time. Alright, y'all, I'm back. This is 4.5 hours into wearing the foundation without any touch-ups. Without any touch-ups. Look at this. Still have really great coverage. Skin looks healthy. Loving it. But I think by the next check-in, I'm gonna have to touch up a little bit, only because I am getting a little bit dewy right here, and right here, and right here. I don't mind it, you know, but later on, maybe if like I want to be out doing something, then definitely want to touch up. But yeah, that is that. I just finished eating a salad, so my lip product looks a little rusty crusty. I'll check in with you guys later. Alright, so for my last check-in, I'm about to take off my makeup, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It is currently 9:28 p.m. so I did my makeup. I completed everything a little bit before 1. So it's been well over 8 hours of wear. You guys can still see that I have the coverage. I am very oily, like right in here. You guys can see that. But I'm really curious to try this powder foundation. This one is in the color Tan from Frankie Rose, just to touch up on it. I love the fact that it's compact. You can carry this in your purse if you're going to be out all night or all day, just to, you know, blot your face. And let me test it out and see how it works on top of what I have going on right now. So let me, whoa, that really, yeah, my nose is like super oily. I'm telling you guys, it's this area for me. Wow, it looks like I just did my makeup. I'm not swiping because I don't want it to look too cakey. I'm just setting everything in place. Wow, this is looking really pretty again. I'm definitely loving this powder, especially if I'm going to be out and about all day and I just want to touch up. It also has a mirror in here and it comes with this little sponge. I just add a little bit of gloss and lip liner. Like, this is, it looks like it's freshly done. It's getting kind of late now. I am ready to take off my makeup and just relax. I just seen that there's a new season of The Voice with Ariana Grande in that season. So yeah, I definitely need to get to that. I think the color of this foundation really complemented my skin tone. It looks like my skin. It looks really beautiful and I love the finish of it. If you guys are interested in purchasing the foundation, I will have the link listed down below in the description box along with a discount code for you guys to get your hands on this foundation or any other products that I mentioned in today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.